Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign in to your Alight Motion account using the Alight Motion application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Alight Motion app on your preferred device and then launch it open. In the first interface of Alight Motion, you will end up in the main homepage. Tap on the little human icon at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the Sign In button at the bottom of the screen. You can sign into your Alight Motion account with email, Apple ID, Google account, or Facebook account. Choose any one option that is suitable for you. I'm going to choose the Sign In with Email option. Now enter your email address in the text box and tap the Next button at the top right hand corner. You will now be sent a sign-in email on the respective email address that you just entered. Open up your email inbox and open up the email from Alight Motion. Tap on the Sign Into Alight Creative option in the message and then you will be able to sign into your Alight Motion account. So that is how you will be able to get access to Alight Motion in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.